How you doing? How you doing, guys? Master Calvin FX here, as usual. Sorry, guys, I've been a bit sick these days, and my voice didn't come out very properly, but I'm getting better now. So let's go. You know, Master Calvin Eldorado FX, always doing the best we can to bring our analysis, our forecast, and our entries ideas. So for you guys to benefit from the market, gold market and US30. So guys, let's jump into that. So we're just gonna do quickly a recap and then we go to the basics. Okay, guys, so it looks like gold break the support as we anticipated a move. So we basically have the move twice from this area that we marked up last night. So if you basically took an entry from here, you know, straight away you guys get all the TPs. But if you are a holder who like to go for longer pips, we're talking about more than 300 pips on this move to the upside. That was the first move. Then the price dropped again to our zone, and then it went up again by how long it was the move. So another 220 pips. We're talking about 500 pips from the same zone twice. We didn't get the end of the setup activated, but remember, I say that start looking for buys around 2,655 to 2,649. So that was the area to buy. Congratulations if you did. So very quickly, we're just gonna again do this as quick as possible. This is now taken out, so we're gonna go for what we have. So at the moment, let's go and clean everything. So guys, this chart is very clean, and we can identify our support, our resistance, and then we can try to see if we can find an entry. That is very easy. First, remember, that's basically the method that I use. We go to our higher price, in this case of the day, that it was basically 2,685.658, which is the all-time high at the moment in gold, which is crazy, guys. That's a lot of a lot of move. So now we go into the bottom price, which at the moment is 2,654 and 96. That's basically around it. Okay. And then now we go to see what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the 4 hours to find basically some place to look for an entry. And yes, this is basically the right place. Now we're gonna be looking for buys still. So until we get break down below, we're gonna keep looking for buys. Okay, so this is the 4 hour area that I like, and it looks really good for buys. And then we're gonna see here, this is the opening price of the uh, last 4 hour candle. And let's see, we're gonna have this area mark up as basically as our buying area. Okay, so let's go and refine this analysis a bit more, and let's see if we can find some trend lines around the way. So we're going to 1 hour now, and in 1 hour, what do we see? We also see that we can have this level as well. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's have a look what zone I can get. And yeah, I see it's a really good area to focus on buys around here, and then have the SL below this area here. But let's go for more refinement, and then once again, let's see. So price staying below here, that would be our resistance. So let's see, we can mark up the prices and then give you guys some details about how we're gonna approach the market tomorrow. So once again, this is our resistance area at the moment. So weak resistance, because it's at the moment we don't have any strong resistance. So let's have a look. So we also gonna have a trend line that may help us to identify what exactly. Also, yeah, we have approximately 3 touches, which is good. So it basically at least is correlate with our area. So let's have a look what's gonna happen, guys. Now, once again, I love this pattern here that is forming, so we can anticipate that the market can go further up. That's basically what we have right now. With these fractals, we can identify, this is a pattern that is telling me that the market is ready to keep going up. So now we're going to the 30 minutes to see what else we can identify. And I also identify another price that could be really interesting. It's gonna be a big zone, but we're gonna try to simplify it in a minute. Okay, so this is the zone that I'm expecting. Let's mark it up. It's a big one, but let's have a look if we can. So we have our support, and then my entry, it will be this one here. Actually, yeah, around this price. Okay, so let's go for the entry and then targeting. And once again, remember our standard target, which is 2,000, sorry, 3,000 is the standard target. Okay, the entry, I would like to take it from here and then targeting. The entry will be 2,665. That was the entry that we would like to get. And then our SL below here, which is 2,660 actually, and 59. 2,659, I always like 60 pips SL. That's the SL that I use. And the target would be 2,685. Okay, so this is basically what we're looking for. And if you see, what we want to see is the following move in the market. This is what we want to see according for what we're seeing now. So market moving up, moving down, and then up, again up, and then it didn't break this trend line here, but that's what I'm waiting. Basically, it's gonna take liquidity, and let's see if we grab liquidity and keep pushing to the upside. This is more or less I would be expecting this kind of move, and then target the new all-time high, and then a standard TP will be 3,000. Okay, more or less this is the move that I'm expecting in case that cool keep going up. Remember, we got news tomorrow as well. Okay, so also remember, guys, we're gonna do a very simple today. So buys is buys. Okay, buys, check confirmations from 2,670 to 2,665. Okay, this is a 50 pips area to check for buys. Okay, that's what we want to do. And then buy idea, entry at 2,665, sell TP 2,685. That's the full TP, full, and then SL 2,659. That's basically what I'm expecting. Standard TP or swing let's call it, and will be 3,000. Okay. So this is more or less the buy idea. And then what we want to see again is if to keep the position open is the break of this price here. If we don't see that happening, most likely that if it gets here and it rejects, we're gonna be looking for a sell in this area. In this area, look for sells if we have rejection from 2,682 to 2,688 in case it takes liquidity. So that is the idea, guys. That's what we're looking for. But mainly we are focusing on buys because we see that the market is totally bullish. And now I'm going to that. So we're gonna go to now to a cat, sorry, to Pepperstone, and quickly and briefly talk about everything. And we're gonna go to monthly time frame to just identify a couple of things and we keep going. Okay, so for the time being, what do we see here? We see a crazy bullish market. That's the only thing I can see at the moment. So since 2012, that's the far as it goes here at the moment. Since 2012, we see the market consolidating, the market going up, and many things. So 2012, we get back down to this price in 2015, which was 1,042 the goal at the time. And let's see what's happening. Let's see. Oh wow, it's a big breakout to the upside in the monthly time frame. So showing the big control that we have in the from the bulls, which is really insane. That's the monthly time frame, and obviously it's just a matter of finding data, guys. Look at this detail here. More than 2,000 pips in the monthly candle is the biggest monthly candles out there as there is since when? When it was the last time we have a candle like that, 2,000 pips? When it was? I don't remember. I was gonna say, I don't remember. It was even probably before I started trading gold. So let's have a look. Let's identify this. Yes, it was a long time ago. It was in July 2020 when we have a candle like that. Look at the difference between the bullish candle and the bearish candles. It's really insane. It's really crazy, the movement to the upside. So at the moment, in the higher time frame, we don't have any ceiling, guys. We don't have it. That's the only thing I can say. If we go to weekly, we see the same. We don't have any real ceiling to go for. This is crazy. So we're gonna wait to basically sell properly. We need to see a big rejection at least in weekly. So from my view, at least price need to go below 2,650 to start thinking about sales, and maximum sales area would be probably 2,500 once again, or if it gets 2,550, that would be the idea, because this here is a weekly, price that can be taken, so it's a weekly low. And also we have another weekly low here that is the this week one, and that is still not taken. And then if we go to daily, we're gonna see something interesting as well. So going into daily, we understand that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for the last 6 days, the price has been unable to take a low, only going high. And that's what we see, and that's why we're going to with the flow of the market to the upside area, trying to buy in every retracement, and that's the recommendation. Let's have a look again. Look on daily. We have breakout from the channel. So once again, more confirmation about the market moving up, and then what we're gonna see is that. And As you see, if tomorrow, for example, gold retrace and take this low right here, which is the again the 2,650 low, we might probably get retracement for it will be two things. One, take the liquidity below and fly, or keep going down and target the other pending area would be this one 2,613. Okay, this is something like that. So if we get a move like that, that is going really is going to retrace the goal, and we take this area first, 2,650, most likely that we're gonna have this move to the downside. Okay, trying to target this other area, but this is unlikely at the moment. We need to trade what we see, and we see the market going up, and that's what we want to do, guys. Going up with the market. It's the data I can find. So now going to US30 is just crazy what's been going on in US30. And once again, as I said yesterday, buy US30. And if you did buy US30, and at the moment, the move that it did today on the daily is more than 300 points to the upside. So it was straight to the upside today. So whoever bought from this area, congratulations. Okay, once again, let's see if if tomorrow or during Asia session, it takes the high, most likely that we're gonna have a retracement, and then it's gonna keep buying. Okay, this is where probably gonna look for buys right here in this area in US30. Okay, so this is what I wanted to see. Take this some liquidity here, then drop again and keep flying. New all-time high again. So this is what's going on, been going on in US30. Okay, so guys, that's it from me. Remember, tomorrow is Friday. Don't take it too hard. Take it easy. It has been a very nice week of profit. If you've been following our trade ideas, if you've been following our analysis, you've been on the right side of the market. So you for sure make some good money. So take it easy, and remember, tomorrow a little more news, and have a nice weekend, and see you on Sunday with a new analysis. Okay, guys, take care, have a good night, and remember to follow us and to click on the bell in YouTube, and to recommend us to friends and families. If you want to participate in our signals as well, let us know. Okay, thank you, thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for everything that you are doing, guys, following the YouTube, following us in Telegram. Thank you, amazing. Thank you.